How can you network with people that are already in your Twitch community? There's multiple ways to find people that are streaming on Twitch that already watch you. Why do you want to network with these people that already watch you anyway? Well, because you want to make friends and make collaborations, start knowing each other, so they will become more loyal viewers, won't they? The first one is natively on Twitch, so let's jump into that one first. We're just gonna go to your creator dashboard, and here we're in the home tab. In this home tab, we can see some spotlights, some stream stats, some things that happened here. Here you can see people that follow you. Well, if you see somebody that has a check mark, obviously they're also streaming on Twitch because they are a Twitch partner. So this is a way to see this. But you're not going to scroll through your whole list looking for people with multiple followers or with a check mark. So what we're going to do is we scroll down a little bit. And here we see insights for you in your community. I'm sitting in front of it, but it says that right here, okay? And then we can see that live here, it says live right where I'm sitting, right here. It says subscribes to you. So this person is subscribed to my channel, and we can see they are live right now. So we can click on that, and we can immediately go into that stream. It also gives us a fun fact that live streams too. But that was obvious because they're live right now. Then here we have another person. It says subscribes to you. And that is Charlie. And Charlie has 5,000 followers, it says. And they're basically telling me, hey, Charlie is also streaming. And we can click on Charlie. And we can look at their stream. We can follow them and jump in when they're live. Then we also have your viewers also watched. This is not per se people that are in your community, but these are the people that your community also watches. So you can consider them similar streamers or people with a similar kind of audience. This channel is my other channel. This is my Dutch channel. So it's obvious that people that watch me on my Dutch channel also watch me on my English channel, my normal channel. Then here is my big friend Tom. And I've always been promoting Tom. He also helped me with the video how to explain to add a guest to your stream. If you want to see that, I'll leave that up in the card. We've done some collaboration on my gameplay channel as well, so make sure to check my gameplay channel out as well. It's Trui gameplay. Such a hard name, huh? Trui gameplay. But basically I did a lot of things with Tom, so it makes sense that Tom is in here. Sometimes you'll get other people in here that you did not know they were connected to you in a sense, and it's good to follow them and see why they're connected and see what they do well that you might also be able to implement in your streams. My viewers also watch Just Chatting, which is kind of logical because everyone watches Just Chatting every now and then. They also watch Fortnite. I don't really play shooters on my stream, however Fortnite is just such a big category that it might show up even though you don't do anything similar to it. And then here we have a tip from an ambassador, which has nothing really to do with your content, but it will just show up. It will just try to give you tips. Okay, outside of doing this, you can also go to your Discord server. Here you can see that I've made like things for mods, subscribers, and I've got like a leveling system that if you talk a lot, you basically bump up yourself in this list. Let me disable the streamer mode real quick. And as we can see, Doom Knight here has this purple dot next to their name. This purple dot means that they are streaming. And we can click on them and we can immediately watch it here. We can see, basically, we can scroll through this list of people that are in our Discord server to see, hey, this person is streaming. We can hop into their stream and we can say hi. You can also put a bot in your Discord server that automatically bumps up the people that are streaming into their own category and it's easier to find. I purposely haven't done that because I want to reward people that are talking a lot over people that are just live and just joining hundreds of Discord servers. I want to promote people that are active in a community instead of people that are trying to promote themselves everywhere without any effort. If you don't know how to get this purple dot, basically what you need to do is you go to user settings and then here in the connections tab, you can just connect your Twitch. Twitch will be in here. You can just connect that. And then automatically when it detects that you're live and you're in streamer mode on Discord, you will be getting that purple dot. The way to get in streamer mode is either going to the streamer mode tab in the settings and enabling it, or normally it automatically enables if you open OBS Studio. So if you just have Discord on and you open OBS Studio, it will have the streamer mode enabled. That's why at the start of this video I had it enabled, because I'm recording this with OBS. So if you wanted to make it easy for other people to find you this way, this is definitely something that I recommend doing. Of course, you can also use other platforms like Twitter or TikTok, and you can go through your followers to actually see who's streaming, but I find it a lot harder to find people who are streaming that way. So what you can also do is here on Twitch, you have an activity feed and you can see, oh, this person gave me a shout out. So they're definitely liking my content. Let's go give them a follow. We can also, if you have the new layout with a split screen, you can also sort these on rates. Now you can see, hey, this person rated us. Maybe we should go follow them and check out what they're doing. There's actually a ton more ways to find people that are streaming and hanging out with you, but I think these are the simplest ways to find people that are hanging out, that are in your community and also streaming. If you want to learn how to grow on Twitch, I got a playlist right here that helps you grow. I've got an interview with an esports pro and how he goes about his stream right here. If you're looking for streaming gear, I got a whole playlist with streaming gear right here, and you can subscribe to my channel right here.